The federal landscape is shifting. Every day, thousands of contracts are born, evolved, and awarded. But the true game is played long before the RFP drops. This week alone, our systems intercepted over 5,500 new signals. The intelligence is there. The question is, are you positioned to act on it? Weekly Intelligence Brief. May 2026. Chapter 1. Cloud and High-Performance Computing. We begin in the cloud. But this isn't about simple storage or routine migration. This is about computational supremacy, the race to build the most powerful, most secure federal infrastructure ever deployed. The Sovereign Defense Cloud Commercial Solutions opening is active. The mandate is clear: high-performance computing infrastructure capable of supporting the most demanding advanced defense applications. This is a multi-year, high-stakes play, and the window is open now. Chapter 2. Cybersecurity and Network Defense. In the cyber domain, defense is never passive. The perimeter is constantly shifting, the threats are evolving in real time, and the adversaries are sophisticated, persistent, and well-funded. Enter IDCS Spartan, the integrated defensive cyberspace system. This isn't a software patch or a routine upgrade. This is a paradigm shift in network defense architecture, a platform designed for real-time threat analysis at scale. And here is the critical intelligence. This program is currently in the sources sought phase. The requirements are fluid. The architecture is not yet defined. The integrators who engage now will define the battlefield for years to come. Chapter 3. AI, Quantum, and Emerging Technology. Beyond the immediate horizon lies the frontier. The government is not merely modernizing its existing infrastructure, it is building the procurement pipeline for the next decade, right now, in the form of RFIs and market research notices that most contractors will never see. A new request for information has surfaced for fault-tolerant quantum computing systems. This is the government mapping the future of AI-driven data analytics, cryptographic dominance, and computational intelligence. The formal solicitation does not yet exist. The requirements are being written as we speak. These are the signals that dictate the next era of federal procurement. To ignore them is not a neutral act. It is a strategic concession. Chapter 4. Federal Procurement Strategy and the Early Mover Advantage. Intelligence is only as valuable as the action it provokes. The traditional model, waiting for the request for proposal to drop, then scrambling to build a competitive response, is not a strategy. It is a reaction. And in federal procurement, reactions lose. The highest value opportunities are secured in the market research phase. This is where requirements are shaped, where relationships with contracting officers are established, and where the early mover advantage is built. By the time the RFP drops, the game is already over for those who weren't in the room. The playbook is simple. Identify the RFIs and sources sought notices before your competitors do. Submit a compelling capability statement that shapes the requirements in your favor. And build the relationship with the contracting officer before the formal solicitation is ever published. Chapter 5. Contract Alert Hub, the intelligence system. To execute the early mover strategy at scale, you need a system purpose-built for the modern procurement battlefield. You need intelligence that is automated, prioritized, and actionable. Contract Alert Hub is that system. It is not a database. It is a strategic intelligence platform, one that filters 68,000 tracked opportunities down to the signals that matter most for your business, delivered directly to your command center every single week. Every opportunity is analyzed. Every signal is scored. Every early-stage notice is flagged before your competition even knows it exists. The pipeline is active. The opportunities are real. The early-stage signals are live right now. The only question is whether you will lead or follow. Engage the intelligence. Secure the advantage. Win before the competition begins. Contract Alert Hub. Track the pipeline. Stay ahead of the market. Win before the RFP. Visit contractalerthub.emergent.host today.